Yo guys, so today we're gonna be playing Monkey Deluxe level 10. I know it came out like a long time ago, but I haven't played it in so long. So yeah. Also,
do a flip or something.
Monkey Deluxe is kind of broken at the moment, cause no one is playing, and the model keeps going into the floor. So I guess it told me to touch the. Oh, whoa! What? It's so hard to run. I hate the model going to the floor, bro. It's so hard to run. Ow! Yeah, fine. Holy. Huh? This game is so buggy. Yeah, but that's gonna be it for today. Look at the model. What is going on with the model? Yes, that's gonna be it for today. And yep.